Park Tool has a complete line of component adhesives for secure installation of threaded and press-fit components. The TLR-1 medium strength and TLR-2 high strength thread lockers lock threaded assemblies and prevent them from loosening. AP-1 adhesive primer prepares the component surface, accelerates curing, and promotes maximum performance of thread lockers and retaining compounds. AP-1 must be used in conjunction with any thread locker retaining compound that comes into contact with carbon fiber. RC-1 press-fit retaining compound fills gaps and holds non-threaded parts in place.